Hello, Dr. B and peers. For my semester-long argument, I've proposed a policy that provides mental health services to foster care children and alumni. I propose that the Children's Bureau within the United States Department of Health and Human Services should provide more funds to state foster care systems in order to provide children the mental health services that they need due to the adverse childhood experiences that they have endured. State foster care programs receive funds from the state government and private donations. However, the majority of their funds come from the United States Department of Health and Human Services. If the federal government increased funding to state foster care programs, foster children would receive more services, such as improved mental health treatments. Children are put into the foster care system for a variety of reasons, many of which include traumatic experiences. Due to these adverse childhood experiences, these children experience mental health issues at a higher rate than children who have not spent time in the foster care system. There are policies in place that provide mental health treatment to the children in foster care system. However, these programs only help individuals with severe diagnoses. Additionally, these programs are not consistent and treatment is often temporary. For these reasons, it is vital that the federal government provides funds to pay for the mental health treatment of all foster care children that require mental health services. Some people may be concerned about the cost of providing mental health services to foster care children and how the money will be distributed. I suggest that financial advisors are used in order to determine the specific costs and where exactly the money will come from. These advisors will use information provided by mental health professionals to determine the necessary treatments required for each child, program, and state. These calculations will then be used to determine the exact amount of money that each state needs. I also propose that state foster care programs submit financial reports, explicitly describing where the money is spent. This will ensure that the funds are spent on the mental health treatment of children in the foster care system. While working on this project, I have learned that early childhood trauma can affect an individual's physical health, as well as their mental health. One study conducted by Boulier and Blair determined that if a child experiences 6 or more adverse childhood experiences, they have a life expectancy of 20 years younger than individuals who have not experienced these potentially traumatic events. In my policy, I wanted to include enhanced lifestyle programs and make them available to children in the foster care system. When a child turns 18, they are often sent out into the world, regardless of their real-world knowledge or experience. I believe that courses in budgeting, resume building, meal planning, etc. would help improve the success of individuals that have spent time in the foster care system. Here are my image and informational resources. Thank you.